Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And if you're looking for an awesome, great tempered glass screen protector for your Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, something with which the under display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor works like a boss, then have a look at the one from amFilm. The unboxing experience is pretty simple. You have a box, inside that you have some cleaning wipes, you have a wet wipe, you have a dry wipe, you have some dust absorption stickers, then you have three tempered glass screen protectors along with an installation frame. Now, the installation again is pretty simple. I do recommend that you turn off your Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and then you give it a wipe down with the wet wipe. Once that is done, you give it a wipe down with the dry wipe. Make sure there is no more alcohol left on the display of the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and then if you see any dust particles, use the included dust absorption stickers. Then go ahead and put the frame. Now do note that the frame does say the word top on it explicitly, so that is the part of the frame which needs to go on top of the Pixel 9 Pro or towards the earpiece of your Pixel 9 series. And then all you need to do next is peel off the protective layer from the tempered glass screen protector, and then put that into the frame, and pretty soon you should have a dust-free, bubble-free installation of the tempered glass screen protector by amFilm onto your Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro or the Pixel 9 Pro XL. And as you can see on your screen right now, the under display fingerprint scanner works like a boss. No issues, no missed fingerprints, nothing like that in my personal experience. And in case you're not having a good experience, your fingerprint scanner is not working properly, I do recommend to delete that fingerprint, set it up again. But before you do that, make sure you go into display settings, into touch sensitivity, and enable screen protector mode, because that is going to help with the under display fingerprint scanner on the Pixel 9 series working like a boss with a tempered glass screen protector installed. So again, make sure you do check out the one from amFilm.